Hi everyone, today I want to show you some roses from Attar Roses, a farm which we just started to put it in our extra list, but also you can have it in standing order or special order. This is 2 boxes from the extra boxes, as I was saying, the season mix and the garden mix. Let's check. First we'll open the so-called season mix box. It's one of our selection and have the following assortment: Purple Moon, Hard Rock, Shimmer and Amnesia. Here, Purple Moon. Wow. Amnesia, Hard Rock and Shimmer. This is so-called season mix. Of course will change in the fall from Attar Roses.